Debbie from Manville has a poppin' faucet.
She's hearing it in the attic.
Okay.
All right.
Her faucet's in the attic?
Well, no, I'm saying when they pop, she's hearing it in the attic.
Noise.
All right, so got it? Okay, so Debbie writes, I assume it has something to do with the water pipes. Okay, the brain exploding there. But how do I fix it? My house was built in 2003, and the builder said that it's a water pipe vibrating against the attic floor. It's not a danger, so he's not going to fix it. Debbie thought they'd get used to it. They haven't, Tom. So Debbie wants to know, how do we fix this thing?
Actually, what you do is if the water pipe is going through a joist in a hole, you take a little wedge and a piece of wood and you just kind of tap it in there to hold it tight and it'll stop. If they're just laying it over the top of them, which they probably are if it's in the attic, then you have to strap them down. Simple.
So it's like a little
just a little strap. And just they're going to move. That's a lot of pressure and volume going through those pipes.
And Debbie, I'm going to give you a little tip. You want to do that now before it gets later into the summer. Just saying.
Oh, yeah, it was 100 degrees yesterday.
Exactly. Talk to the guys putting an air conditioner in here. All right. You got a question? Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it here. Or these videos over here prove it. You can subscribe to our channel, see a whole bunch more.